Let's talk about AutoML's automatic featurization. So during model training with AutoML, one of the following scaling or normalization techniques will be applied to each model. The first is standard scale wrappers. So standardize features by removing the mean and scaling to unit variance. Min-max scaler, transform features by scaling each feature by the column's minimum maximum. Max ABS scaler, scale each feature by its maximum absolute value. Robust scalar scales features by the quantile range. PCA, linear dimensionality reduction, using single value decomposition of the data to project it to lower dimensional space. Reduction is very useful if your data is too complex. Let's say you have data, you have too many labels, like 20, 30, 40 labels for categories to pick out of. You'll want to reduce the dimensions so that your machine learning model is not overwhelmed. So then you have truncated SVD wrappers. So the transformer performs linear dimensionality reduction by means of truncated singular value decomposition. Contrary to PCA, the estimator does not center the data before computing the singular value decomposition, which means it can work with spicy sparse matrices efficiently. Sparse normalization. Each sample, that is, each row of the data matrix, which with at least one zero component, is rescaled independently of other samples so that it's norm. So 1L or 2L2. I can't remember if it's I2 or L. Anyway, I1 and I2. Okay? So the thing is that on the exam, they're probably not going to be asking you these questions, but I just like to get you exposure. But I just want to show you that AutoML is doing all this. This is like pre-processing stuff, like this is stuff that you'd have to do. And so it's just taking care of the stuff for you, okay?